In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Privacy Protection. Then hit All Permissions here and tap on any of those you wanna manage, like camera. Then you will see your apps under those categories. In case of camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Chrome from not allowed one. Apply one of those options now. In my case, allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. And when you finished, just go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. So when I do that, I can see that Chrome gained access to my camera while I'm using my browser. Quick tip, you can also pick any of those features only to find an app you wanna manage. I will access location only to access my Facebook. Then instead of selecting any of those, click on tiny text, see all permissions. This way you can manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!